welcome to my YouTube channel with me, Bara. Hi again. So today, before we start, I would like to say thank you for my friends and Rempaku. This is Rempaku. Lucu ya, Rempaku, namanya Rempaku tanpa H, Rempaku. So they sent me this three pre-mixed sauces. So ini adalah sauce yang udah disiapin. So teriyaki sauce, kemudian ini ada curry sauce, and chicken kung pao, which we are going to cook with today. Terus ada bumbu-bumbu kering. Ini saya cuman dikirim dua ya, oregano sama chili powder, which I use a lot. I really use a lot. So thank you again, Rempaku, untuk kirimin saya ini semuanya. Dan saya akan masak dengan Rempaku hari ini. Dan variannya sebenarnya masih banyak. Just open the Instagram. If I'm not mistaken, it's Rempaku tanpa H ya. Nggak pakai H kan ya? Rempaku, that's right, Rempaku. And I think they are in Semarang. Kayaknya di Semarang. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, anyway, so today's recipe done in 7 minutes. I'm going to cook something very simple, especially since I'm using this premix spice sauce dari Rempaku ini. Jadi saya akan membuat chicken kung pao. Chicken kung pao has this history in China. The history agak panjang. Nanti saya coba tulis di bawah aja ya. What's the history of chicken kung pao? You can just Google it. No problem. Okay, so we're going to start today. Mimin is ready. Mimin is my mascot here. He always accompanies me. Okay. Chicken kung pao done in 7, and my stopwatch is ready, and the stopwatch in the corner is also ready. And here we go. Okay, first of all, as always, I'm going to heat the pan because this is very important, and I'm going to chop some onion. Okay, I'm gonna add some oil first to the pan. There you go. So about 2 tablespoons should be enough. Yeah, and you add this beautiful white onion. Okay, we call it, kalau di sini kita sebutnya bawang bombay ya. So bawang bombay langsung masuk aja. There you go. Okay, in goes the bawang bombay. And then I have also some garlic that I'm going to. I love garlic, so I'm going to put quite a bit. Okay, I'm going to put quite a bit, and I have my chopper here. Just dump it in like this. Dan tidak mau terlalu halus. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go. Dah, cukup ya. That's my garlic here. Okay. So, and then we're going to sort of like saute this until the onion is slightly sort of getting translucent. Sampai bawangnya itu udah mulai kayak putihnya udah mulai hilang. Okay, so there you go. I'm still at 2 minutes, and then we're going to add the chicken. So I have like chicken fillet that I already asked the guy at the supermarket to cut it in half. So ayam fillet masuk ya. There you go. And we want to add a little water. Kita tambahin sedikit air aja supaya bawangnya nggak gosong sih. And it's to matengin ayamnya. Dan supaya ayamnya matangnya cepet, tutup dulu. Okay, jadi efek kayak oven. Okay, I'm going to have my dry chili ready. Karena kalau kita bikin ayam kung pao itu harus pakai cabai kering. So, berapa banyaknya terserah. Yang doyan pedasnya monggo, taruhlah sebanyak mungkin. And then we're just going to sort of like roughly cut it into this little squares, beautiful dark squares. We are at 3 minutes. Kita ada di 3 menit ya. So, okay, here we go. I have it ready. And then saya juga mau, ini sudah dicuci ya, by the way. It's washed already. I have here spring onion, daun bawang ya, daun bawang. I love spring onion. Oh, okay, there we go. That's it. So let me see. Where is my goreng-goreng? Oh, here. Ya, ayamnya. And now we're going to add this chicken kung pao mix. Let's see. I think it should be at about 2, I guess. Let me see, you know, kalau kurang nanti tinggal ditambah. There you go. I think that should be enough. I think that should be enough. That's right. And then I love kecap. Gue demen banget yang namanya kecap. Oh my god, you know. Oh. So I'm gonna add a bit of ketchup. Yang asli sih chicken kung pao sih nggak pakai kecap, but I want to add my ketchup. Oh my god, I'm telling you. So there you go, and then we're going to add the we are at 4 minutes. We're going to add the chili, dried chili that I've sliced roughly. And then if you want to make it hot, ini kan saya juga dikirimin chili powder nih dari Rempakku. Kita tambahin aja juga ya. So chili powder, I'm going to add chili powder. Oh my god, it's gonna be really hot. Ooh, lovely. Okay, and let me just, we're at 5 minutes. Lovely. And then kacang polong, I have kacang polong ready here. Just a bit of kacang. Oh my god, they're so good actually. Whew. And then a bit of the spring onion. Okay. Dan salah satu khasnya dari chicken kung pao itu ada kacang medenya. So here we go. I have this readily roasted cashew nuts. So it's just salted roasted cashew nut, and we just gotta add. You know, if you want to cook something very simple, baru pulang dari kantor. By the way, it's I've got everything. I've got it. So stop. So we're at 6 minutes something. It's done. It's done. It's really done. So sometimes if you want to make your life easier, kalau kamu mau membuat hidup kamu lebih sederhana, you know, it's okay for you to use this pre-mixed sauces that will make your life really much easier. And then, you know, just a little bit of imagination, just dump everything in, and you got this. Oops! And you got this. Look at this beautiful chicken kung pao, ready to eat, and the chicken is done. Also, you know, why I'm using chicken fillet? Kenapa saya pakai chicken fillet? Karena dia potongannya lebih tipis dan tadi dibelah 2, jadi matangnya juga lebih cepat. So you can just eat it with rice and all that. And I'm just going to, oh no, this is my spoon. By the way, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, and give me a like if you like it. The more like, the more I love you. Okay, so, oh lovely. Look at this. Oh, it's so good. It's, kalau nggak mau manis, kecap manisnya dihilangin. But I love a sweet chicken kung pao. Kayaknya kurang pedas. So I'm gonna add a little bit more chili powder. Ta-da! There we go. So chicken kung pao, and I'll see you guys again next week. Yeah, next week. Bye.